Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rito. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video, and if you're old here, thank you for coming back again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video if you like what you see, and I hope you subscribe. Today's video is just going to be a soft glam makeup tutorial. I've been seeing that everywhere on YouTube, and I just thought I should also do mine because soft glam is my thing. Okay, every time I wear makeup, I just want it to be as soft as possible. At the end of the video, I'm also going to be talking about this hair that I got a while ago and I've been wearing for a while. It's just a beautiful hair, and yeah, I will be telling you the details about the hair, and also I'm going to be using some new drugstore makeup products that I picked up just a while ago that I have been absolutely loving, and I think they're actually good products. So if you want to see all those products and hear about the hair, please keep on watching, and yeah, I will see you at the end of the video. So now I'm just going to start with my eyes. I'm applying my concealer from NYX, the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, just like a primer on my eye, just to help the eyeshadows to show up really nicely. I'm using this palette that I picked up from Catrice from the drugstore. It's a new one. It's their holiday collection. It's called Showstopper. So I'm just going to use this really nice orange shade in the middle to just use it as a transition shade. I went into a brownish shade just to deepen my crease for a little bit. Now this palette was a perfect palette for this look because it's really soft. It's a really soft palette. I think it was created for like a soft glam. I'm going into the really nice champagne color or shade to apply that on my eyelid, just to give my eyelid that look of, it looks like it's a lot bigger or wider than it normally is. Going back into that shade to just blend everything. I'm applying my eyeliner from Bobbi Brown. It's their gel eyeliner, the black one, and I really like this one actually. It's so easy to apply. I'm going back into that orange shade and also back into the brown shade just to blend out every hash line and just to make everything blend seamlessly, and I'm just kind of touching everything up. The foundation I'm applying is the one from L'Oreal Paris. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh water wear. I absolutely adore this foundation. I still have 2 bottles of it just waiting, and yeah, it's just a beautiful foundation. I have mine in the shade 365 golden, deep golden, and yeah, so now I'm going to apply my concealer. Of course, it's the same concealer I've used, my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm mixing it with the shade deep golden honey. And while I'm waiting for it to kind of cook and sit, I'm going to do my brows using my brow wiz in chocolate. I really love this stuff, man. I really love this brow product. So now I'm just going to go into my blending of the concealer with my beauty blender. Lately I just find that I find it easier, or I just find that my concealer looks a lot more flawless when I use a beauty blender than when I use any other thing. So that's what I've been using. I'm going to use my brush right now to blend out everything. My foundation brush, it just helps to blend out every hash line. I'm going to set my face with I'm going to contour with this foundation stick from Inglot. Actually, it's in the shade 116. It doesn't have a special name, it just says foundation stick, and I picked it up 2 days ago. I wanted to use it for contour, and it's actually perfect. It's just a nice soft contour for my face, and it blends out really nicely. So I picked it from the Inglot shop here in Budapest, and I'm going to go in with my foundation brush again. I do this like clockwork. Now I'm powder contouring because I just have to do it. It just has to be done. And I'm applying my blush, and back into my powder again. So yeah, I'm just setting the under of my contour just to kind of make it pop. Now I'm going to go in to apply my highlighter. My highlighter. It is just my basic makeup look. And now I'm doing my lip. I'm using my sleek pencil in the shade Just Say Nothing. And I'm going to use my MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Honey Love. I love that lipstick. It's like a perfect pink nude for dark skinned girls like me and for every other person after me. Going over with the sleek lip shot. I don't remember the name of this shade because it cleaned off, but I will find it and I will try to link it. And yeah, that's it actually. That's the whole makeup look. And yeah, I will talk to you really soon right now in 1-2 seconds. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video. So I wanted to just quickly talk about this hair because I already reviewed one of their hair in my last video. I have 2 weeks from them, so I just thought why not just talk about the second one in this video. This is the Catty hair from Royal Me Com. Well, they're called Royal Me Com on Instagram, but online of course is royalme.com. So I got this hair for my birthday in August, and it came in body wave, but I think I prefer it straight. Maybe I would curl it when I actually feel like it, but I think I prefer it straight. My cap is medium this time, but it wasn't the best cap size for me because it ended up being too big for me, so I had to like sew it inside to kind of be a little bit tighter on my head, and that worked because then it helped the back to be a lot flatter than it was looking, because it was looking bulky because it was too big for my head. So I would say small, it should be my size all the time. I got it in the length 20 inches. I did cut just a little bit just to kind of give it some character at the tip, but that's about it. I actually did not use any product on the hair aside from my Chi serum. Like the serum, it smells so nice, it's just so good. It helps the hair to be silky, and it also helps the hair to be, it kind of serves as a heat protectant, so it helps the hair to kind of be sticky. So when I'm actually straightening it, I use that, and then I use my hot comb to straighten just the root, and that's it. I just glue it down. So it's still their fake scalp style, and yeah, I didn't put any concealer yet. Maybe I will do that before I leave the house, like maybe on the sides, but every other thing is just, I just love the hair. I love the style, I love the coloring and everything. It's just perfect for my skin tone, you know. I think that they have really nice hair. I like their hair construction. It's just so easy to put on the head because it's just like a scarf, and all you have to do is cut off the lace and put your hair together. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching again. Please subscribe, share, like, and I hope I see you in the next